Well, just when you thought it was safe to go back to YouTube and watch guitar making videos, I'm back. Kevin Ledoux, the Pragmatic Luther. I've been gone a long time. Uh, couldn't help that. Lots going on here. So I thought I'd take just a couple of minutes of your time to show you what's been happening around this place and what's going to happen. So I've been occupied for weeks on this little project here, along with a couple of others. This is a bathroom cabinet that I'm doing for our own house. This is done in walnut, and the panel work in this is figured soft maple that I've had around here for a number of years. The joinery details kind of drive me nuts. Guitars are a lot simpler to make than this stuff, I think. But anyway, that's part of what's going on. I'm also going to take you into the clean room and show you what's happening there. And here are two of the three guitars that I've been working on. This is the one you may remember that has the aluminum bridge patch in it. Here's the one with the very old hemlock top. Just put necks on those this afternoon. There's a classical guitar I did 18 years ago. And here is the one with the pine top. That'll get the neck assembled to it tomorrow. Now outside the shop, things are going to happen pretty quickly. If you watched my shop tour video, you may recall that I passed by a little ugly looking building here that I referred to as the caboose, and that has been taken apart. In fact, there's some of the refuse from it there, and a little more of the refuse that I'm going to actually reuse right there. But there is a reason for this. This area, parking area if you will, is going to be expanded 12 feet, and a 12 by 20 foot storage building is going to be put right there. But the upcoming part that I'm most excited about and anxious to get done is viewing this wall right here. Happens to be the south wall of my shop. It's 20 feet long. That wall is going to be taken out, at least most of it. And I am going to add, going in that direction, 10 feet. Here is a basic layout. Here is where the existing wall is. We're going to open that up, and this is going to be expanded space for my machine shop area. And I'm really excited about this. This is going to make life around here much more pleasant. So it's all upcoming, that and some other projects around the property. So it's a busy summer, and I have a guitar commission that I have barely even started. So things are going to really get busy around here. Well, thanks for watching this short video. I know it's not very informative, and I do intend to get back to producing some videos on a more regular basis that will be kind of instructional or humorous or something more like I usually do. I would like to ask anybody that happens to view this, if you'd like to, in the comments section, make a suggestion about a video that you might like to see. That might help me a little bit. I've been contemplating a few things, but I sure would appreciate some suggestions if you'd like to contribute one. Thanks again for watching. Kevin Ledoux, the Pragmatic Luther, reminding you once more that I am the biggest manufacturer of guitars in the entire town of Triangle, New York. Thanks for watching. See you later.